Welcome. Today we'll explore the Open Geospatial Consortium (OGC) functional architecture. This architecture outlines the key components and their interactions within the realm of geospatial information processing. The OGC functional architecture comprises 10 key components. Let's delve into each one. Users and applications are the end users or software applications that interact with geospatial data and services. This could be a person using a mapping app on their phone or a software program utilizing geospatial data for analysis. Presentation services are responsible for visualizing and representing geospatial data to users. This involves rendering, styling, and creating user interface elements to make the data understandable and visually appealing. Processing services perform various operations on geospatial data. These operations can range from simple tasks like coordinate transformation to complex spatial analytics. Catalog services provide mechanisms for discovering and managing geospatial data and services. Users can search for relevant datasets and services using metadata queries. Data and service persistence deals with the storage and management of geospatial data and services. This involves databases, file systems, and other data storage mechanisms to ensure the data is securely stored and accessible. Data and service transformation services convert geospatial data from one format to another or from one coordinate reference system to another. This is crucial for data integration and interoperability. Data and service provision components offer geospatial data and services to users and applications. This includes web services like Web Map Service, WMS, Web Feature Service, WFS, and Web Coverage Service, WCS, which allow users to retrieve and interact with geospatial data. The OGC's primary objective is to establish and promote open standards for geospatial data and services. These standards ensure that different components from various providers can work together seamlessly. Security measures are put in place to control access to geospatial data and services, ensuring that only authorized users and applications can interact with them. The network infrastructure facilitates communication between different components. It includes protocols and APIs for data exchange, enabling seamless interaction between the various elements of the OGC functional architecture. The interactions between these components can vary depending on the specific use case and implementation. For instance, a user might interact with a presentation service to visualize data from a data and service provision component. Alternatively, a user might trigger a processing service to perform an analysis on geospatial data. In conclusion, the OGC functional architecture provides a comprehensive framework for geospatial information processing. The components work together seamlessly to enable data discovery, analysis, and visualization, facilitating a wide range of applications and use cases in various fields.